Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the SoundPeats C30. Now these are a high-res audio LDAC pair of earphones. They have ANC built in, long battery life. Let's just have a look here. So 52 hours, 10 hours plus 42 hours in the case. 10 minutes, 3 hours charge and Type-C charging. Come in black, cream, white, orange and purple. Let's open these up and see what we've got. Okay, nice packaging. Not the easiest to open. Right, we've got a little package inside the lid there as well. Let's have a look at that first. Okay. Right, okay, so you can download the app from there. Okay, Peats Audio, SoundPeats. Got some stickers, nice quality. And the user guide. Right, I'm going to go through this, lots of different languages. So I'll put up on the screen and you can pause and zoom in any parts that you wish to read. Okay, there's a little bit there on charging. And a little bit on the controls on the earphones themselves. Alright, let's open them up, have a look. Right, what we've got in here. Okay. Right, so inside this side has got the Type A to Type C charging cable. And the other side looks like it's got some ear tips. Yep, small bag with some ear tips in. Right, so it looks like there's small, medium and large. Medium are already installed, as usual with earphones. Right, okay. Right, it's quite a big case. It's got like a basketball feel to it. Type-C charging's on the side, which is quite unusual. Alright, that's the inside. Inside's got grey, different coloured grey on the inside to the outside. Quite nice looking. Right, so here we've got a sticker. That's just so when they're in transport, they're not charging fully. So you can take that sticker out and then they'll charge the earphones up fully. Right, closer look here. There's that grey colour. Here the difference, it's got engraved there on the bottom. You've got your left and right earbuds. Nice looking. Right, the pairing light has come on, so as you can see there, it's got a flashing white pairing light. The buds are quite nice looking. I'll test out the sound in a minute or two. So far so good. It's got a, looks like a 5, but I think that's supposed to be the S for SoundPeats. Right, so this is the app that you'll need. I've already installed it on my phone. Okay, over 30 million units sold. A little bit of information there. Right, okay, so need to register that. Just give me a second. There we go. Allow. Okay, so it's gone into the pairing mode, as you can see. Green lights flashing. There they are. SoundPeats C30. Make sure you switch it on for the calls. Okay. Back to the app. There we go. Where are they? There we are. Right, okay, so the earbuds are already fully charged. Case is at 90%. Then you've got the ANC controls. ANC, transparency, normal. And I'll go through the different things that you've got here. Okay. LDAC. They have a pulse for water as well. So if you get water or you get them wet, you can make a noise. I'm going to do the fitting test. Okay. This is like the Apple AirPods Pro. You can check the fitness. Okay, it looks like my right one. Let's test that again. Okay, there we go. What's that? I don't need that. Wow. It takes 1 or 2 seconds to transfer from normal to ANC, but when you do, everything in the room, every sound has gone. Again, 2 or 3 seconds to transfer, but now I can hear everything in the room clearly. Normal is pretty much the same, but ANC, wow, that really does, it cuts everything. The sound of the air conditioner, the sounds from outside, that's really quite good. Right, is there anything else I can show you before? Right, now I'm going to go and try it for the sound. Right, unfortunately I'm going to play some music now. You won't be able to hear the music for copyright reasons, but I will tell you what the music sounds like. Right, this album I've been listening to recently, and it's a good mix of music. Okay, there's not much in the way of bass. It's quite treble heavy. Mid-tones are okay. Bass is quite lacking. Let's see. Let me just have a look to see if it's got the equalizer. Right, so it's on classic. Okay, bass made a difference. Not so much on that one. Treble, yeah, it's too much. Okay. That's not too bad. Yeah, that doesn't work. No. No. Okay, they're not changing much with all of these ones. So it's just the bass. Everything else sounds okay. That's probably, electronic is probably the best one. Right, okay, let's try and set up a equalizer that's more to my liking. Right, I'm going to start off with the classic V shape and see. Right, so that has got bass. Not quite sure why they set the bass quite so low. I'll bring some more treble in. The mids. Oh, that's too high. Right, this is something that you'll have to do for yourself because everybody's ears are different. But for my preference, I'm going with... No, that doesn't work. Okay, that's sounding better. Let's bring that down slightly. Okay, so for me, this sounds about right. It's got some good bass, it's got the trebles, the mid-range, and it sounds much fuller than what you get when you're using the standard setup that comes with the earphones. So it looks like you can set up another one as well. So if you can set up 2 or 3 different things, so when you're using it for watching films, YouTube, or listening to music, then that would be good. Okay, sorry this is going on for a little bit long because you can't hear the sounds that I'm hearing, but it does sound much better now. And this is a great album if you want to pick something up from the mid-80s to the early 90s. Overall, nice case. It has a nice feel to it. As I said, it feels a bit like a mini basketball. The app works well. Earphones sound good. They look quite nice as well. They look quite big, but they fit in the ear very nicely. They don't feel too much pressure or anything. Right, I'm going to use these for a few days, see how they get on with them, and I'll give you some ideas of battery life in the next segment. Stay tuned. Right, okay. I tested them for a few days, and the battery life has been really good, really solid. So battery life with ANC on, 6 hours, 37 minutes, and the battery life with ANC off was around about 8 to 9 hours. So overall, very good, very impressed. Charging is fast, case looks good, earphones sound great, so overall, very nice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.